Hello everyone, my name is Rohit Amritkar. I am intern at Spark Foundation. So in this internship, I am solved the first task of basic banking system. So for a developing project, I am used PHP for a server side and HTML, CSS are used for a client side. And for storing a database, I am used MySQL database. So let's see the code of project. So this is a index page. It links for icon. uh, Next is it is a styling tag that used for styling. This is a navigation bar are implement. uh, there are some navigation like a home page, send money, view all customer, transaction, and contact us and about us. So by using we develop a navigation bar. So it is a some icon that show on a home page. You can directly enter view of customer, um, transfer of money, some like features that are showing on home page. So this is our code. Next is a code for send money. So this is also icon for icon, navigation barcode, and styling shades. So this is the main code. Here some users some PHP code for implementing us transfer money, and it is create a connection of database. Next is all customer. In this attribute, we can show the all customer list. So here also navigation bar stylings, and this is a connection are implement for all customer are receive, and this show the all customer. Next is a transaction. Here store all transaction that can through for send money. So all transactions store in this and show on this page. So here we can use a data connection for retrieve a database of transaction. Next is the check balance. Here you can check a balance. Also here use a database connection to retrieve a balance check. Here information are retrieved from database. Contact us, in which we can contact to me. There are some these are connection for you are enter information and you fill up information are stored in database and this show me. And last is about us. Here show the my information and about page. So let's see the project. So this is the home page. There are some features are provided on home page like view customer, transfer money, check balance. So these features are shown next. So firstly check a send money. Here you can send money to the account number and account transfer, amount of account transfer, and this is your account number. So try to it. So firstly check a customer list. So this is a all customer list in this database. So you can directly send through money from here. So automatically account number are stored for a sender. So here you can enter amount. Here enter the receiver account number, like we enter a wiki account number. And transfer the money. There are some problems. Oh yes, amount transfer is successfully. Okay, we can try second try. So here add amount in wiki's money bank balance to check. So again try. Here amount of Rohit is it is, and Vikrant amount it is. So send money from Rohit Amritkar. So transfer money 2000 rupees. Receiver account number, enter receiver account number. So amount transfer is successful. So here you can show the transaction history. So we can send 500 rupees, 2000 rupees are success. So let's try to failed status. So here Wiki amount is 6950 rupees. So we try to send money Ajay. The Wiki amount is 6500. So let's try to send 7000 rupees. We can randomly send anyone like 73. Transfer. So we are notified not sufficient balance in account. So we can check transaction are failed. So next, contact us. Here you can contact to me. You enter a name like anyone. Enter email ID like random email ID. Write any message. Submit. So this information are stored in database. So it is the database. So we can check. See that. We can fill up details are stored in database. It is about us page. So here are some features you can directly access from home page like view customer. We can see the customer list from here. Second is transfer money. You can also transfer from money from here. Fill account number, amount, and this your account number and submit. And also you can check from here account balance. Check account balance. Okay. Like that we can enter anyone account balance. So it is a Rohit account balance, and also you can check balance from here like that. Okay, and this is last page is about us. So in this way I am developing a project that is basic banking system. Thank you.